Hey guys, it's me, Tim here, and today I'm going to open up a few packs. The first pack I'm going to be opening is the silver one that I get from this event, because I just completed it. 1,000 coins. I really need alien hands. 7 challenge tokens. I really need Mr. Mackey too. Maybe we'll get an epic, I think. Yes. Still can't believe my Jimmy's that low. There. Okay, and also I just finished these cheers, so we're gonna open up these two. First, the legendary one, the guaranteed legendary. Oh, yes, that's what I really needed too. Dang. Really needed that legendary. I can actually use the goth kit. Yep, here's the other pack. 59% chance of a legendary. A lot of coins, a lot of toxic waste. Ooh, 19 aliens. It's really good. 7 around 2 weeks. 11 snappers. 19 pitch game. I didn't even have this card yet. Sounds like we're getting a legendary. Oh, we got a legendary. That's really lucky. Oh my god. Anyway, I'll show you my deck. Yeah, this is my current deck. I have a Jimmy because of the 2 energy, because the aura is really good. This one's really OP with assassins, so I like to keep it in my deck for as long as I can. This one I'm hoping to get to level 4 because it's gonna get really OP. Oh, this one's pretty good because of the aura has a great attack boost. Power bind because it's a low energy and it actually helps pretty well. Cypher Kenny is really good. Also, he's an assassin, so it helps. He's past a Craig. I have 2 Craigs because I can't figure out which one I like more, so I just really put both of them in here. Program Stan because he's really good. 600 Randy because he's level 2 and also really good. Dog Poop because I finally got him to level 3. And Osmo because he's pretty good. Yeah, that's my deck. This is my main deck. Yeah.